Best 100 ceramic tiles designs and porcelain for home interior design. Top interior design flooring trends for 2023. Just keep watching. The floor is one of the most important components in any home. The type of flooring that your property sports can be a huge mood and comfort enhancer in space. The rest of your home's design and layout will likely revolve around your flooring choice. Not to mention, the material you choose can have a significant impact on the function of your home, your floor's durability, and its cleaning demands. Replacing flooring can be time-consuming, expensive, and inconvenient. So, it's important to select the flooring that's currently on trend, but will also stand the test of time. Plus, refreshing your flooring with quality options can add value to your property if you intend to sell it. Considering these flooring trends can help you make the best selection possible. They can allow you to express your style and make a huge impact on your home. Plus, you'll gain the function and lifestyle that you deserve in your space. The floor trends that will take over in 2023. Vinyl flooring options. Vinyl flooring can be added to your home in many different formats. The versatility of vinyl flooring makes it a winner in many different rooms and for an even greater variety of needs. Vinyl can be integrated into a home office space, a home gym, the kitchen, or even in a bedroom or two. Vinyl plank flooring and vinyl tiles can be fabricated in a huge variety of different styles and color choices, making them a great substitute for hardwood floors or tiles. It can also be perfect in any part of the home where you want durable and resilient surfaces. What makes vinyl flooring a lasting trend is the technology that has gone into crafting and perfecting this type of flooring. Mannington reports that vinyl flooring can be crafted to look like marble, tile, and many other luxurious flooring choices. Vinyl floors have come a long way in the last few years, and you can now install a vinyl floor that looks almost identical to solid hardwood. They are also water resistant, and their durability has made them a popular choice for many homeowners. In addition to being a fantastic budget option for versatile flooring in your home, vinyl flooring is easy to clean and simple to maintain. The hard surface can be swept or vacuumed with ease. Vinyl planks or tiles can also be mopped clean with a mild cleaner. They also don't require regular maintenance, like resealing and waxing, to enhance the finish. Large format tiles. Another great flooring choice to bring your home to the current times is large format tiles. These expansive tiles can make your room appear visually bigger and create the illusion of space. Plus, you have the added perk of less grout to maintain. These large format tiles can range in size from 12 by 12 inches all the way up to 6 feet in length. That means that you can likely find the perfect size and on-trend flooring solution for any space in your home. They also come in a variety of materials to fit the needs of your project as well as your budget. This type of tile can fit nearly any design aesthetic as well. Large sleek ceramic ones in solid neutrals can be a stunning foundation in a modern space. Or, opt for textured, more organic styled tiles to add a soft vibe to a rustic room. These tiles can also extend to the walls and serve as a backsplash for a seamless look. Wide plank laminates. Laminate flooring has become a go-to option for many homeowners across the United States. Laminates are cost-effective and relatively easy to install in a home. This makes them a great option in many different applications throughout a property. This option is softer than other hard surface flooring solutions that you might consider for your home, but they are immensely durable and can stand up to scratching and staining via diffin. This makes laminate a great option for just about any homeowner, and they are particularly useful in properties with children or pets. Wide plank laminate flooring is often used as a substitute for hardwood floors. These planks are typically machined to imitate the look and feel of a solid board. Conversely, manufacturers who create hardwood flooring planks can only work with the material that nature provides. But laminates can be tinkered with to provide consumers with the perfect blend of unique colors and beautiful wood grain patterns. The variety of finishes allows for these to work with a variety of styles. Matte, or unfinished look planks can look stunning in a room with a rustic look, or a home with industrial decor. Those with a subtle sheen can provide a perfect foundation for traditional decor. Or, if you want a more formal vibe, look for high gloss finishes that really shine. Bold, retro-inspired flooring. Vintage style is again cycling around to make its mark on home decor. This is a stunning flooring choice that can add tons of color and character to your space. Retro-inspired vinyl flooring can be budget-friendly and easy to install. Add it to a small space, like a powder room, to test the waters, or go all in and overhaul your kitchen floor. For example, the iconic black and white checkerboard patterned floor tile might take you back to the soda shop days. But, when fused with modern elements, like gold accents and sleek cabinetry, it can add a welcoming vibe to a contemporary kitchen. Many of these retro vinyl tiles also featured stripes, chevron patterns, or geometric designs. You can add these everywhere, from a living space to a bathroom, to introduce color, movement, and tons of visual interest.